We ordered our new phone, and it's a Samsung A12. This is marketed at the youth or those who are just starting to work and needs a new phone, needs a new smartphone which is reliable, with a battery that stays, the whole day, if not 2 days, and this is the phone. This is it, Samsung A12. For this specific Samsung A12, it's got a 4 gig RAM and 64 gig ROM. So it's a very nice spec phone. Let's unbox it. Seal. Other seal here. How it is. Take off this cover. Look at, this is the paperwork. Packaging content shows you that what's in the package. So this is the packaging seal, warranty card. So basically that's it in there. And okay, we'll take a look at it just now. Some basic earphones, basic earphones, and let's see, this should be USB-C. Yes, USB-C to A, with a power brick. So this is the phone scan, okay, which is 4 cameras, and the fingerprint scanner, which is for the power button. Alright, let's see how we open this. I think this is where we open it. You need to hear this nicely. So this is the phone. There, another cover there, another button. So let's see if we can switch it on. It's firing on. So it says it's got an infinity V display, quadruple camera, and a fingerprint scanner, which is very nice. And here they don't say anything about the specs, but we'll take a look at them in the phone, all the specs and everything. But this is a very nice starter pack phone for for someone who's just starting in. Is it opening? There we go. Nice. They're all set up. So setting up takes a long time, because if you're setting it up nicely, you need your email addresses and all that so that it starts up. But off the box, it comes up with this wallpaper like this, which I will need to customize. Very nice one. So as far as the unboxing, you have everything that you need to start, for except for a casing, because this is a plastic case, and at least it's not a fingerprint magnet, which is also very good. But I would suggest that you put a screen protector and a cover so that you know that your phone is safe. Otherwise, this is a very nice size, 5000 milliamp battery, which will last you 2 days or 1 day if you are a social media addict person. 1 day you don't have to worry about the battery. So this one will sort you out. The cameras will be okay, but we test everything in about a week. Then we'll show you how it performs and everything else. But as far as the unboxing, this is it. This is what you will expect to get on a brand new Samsung A12. So guys, thank you for this is exactly what you need. So guys, keep it locked, and we'll do the review, you know, for this phone in a bit, and hopefully you will like the phone. Hopefully I will also like the phone, and we'll test the sound, the cameras, you know, the performance and everything else, so that you know exactly what you're getting yourself into with the Samsung A12. But for a starter pack, keep your fingers crossed that this will sort you out. But definitely this is going to sort you out. So we'll see how best it performs. Keep it locked, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers.